I advocate of gender equality and the rights of human around the world every day. Gender equality prevents violence against women. Women with peace, equality, justice, and dignity. And I'm a man with unique personality. Lesbian, bisexual, gay, and transgender. And I will respect you. You're free to be a different. Because we are all. Let's all stand and be our own voice.